Hey guys, and welcome to the Nash House. We're actually going to be making some Thousand Island saucy chicken wings. So I'm going to prep them. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you rinse your meat. Poultry has a lot of harmful bacteria that can equal E. coli and salmonella. So you always want to make sure that you rinse it inside of a bowl with lukewarm water, and make sure you keep your hands clean. Now this recipe is a baked chicken recipe, so it's gonna be delicious. All right, now while I'm doing this, I also have the oven preheated to 375. We're gonna use one of my Teflon casserole grill pans, but we're gonna do something fun with the chicken. I'm gonna fold them. I know it's complicated, but it just comes out beautiful. All right, here we go. So I'm going to drain out this water because we have let it actually rinse. And here's my favorite part, guys, the folding. Take your time with this, guys. It can get a little bit tricky, but I promise you it is so worth it. Now don't forget to thumbs up to like this video. Make sure that you share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel and turn that bell icon on so you can get notified when we post more delicious recipes. Now with these extra wings, I'm going to fry them, but we're going to do a separate tutorial for that, probably a short. Make sure you clean your hands after you get through the chicken. Alright guys, now we're going to season with some black pepper and seasoning salt only. With this recipe, because of the Thousand Island dressing that you're going to see come up, that's what we're going to use to make these saucy wings. You want to keep the seasoning very simple because the sauce in the wing that we're putting on the wings is has a very strong flavor. So this will always be to your taste. This is perfect for our family. No, these are not exact measurements, but I've been cooking a long time, so I can eyeball it. But you do whatever you need to do. You can still use this recipe and just modify whatever works for you. But seasoning salt is going to be the healthiest salt that you can actually place on your meat that won't raise your blood pressure. So if you are sensitive to a lot of high salt, high sodium, switch to seasoning salt. Highly recommended. Alright, so we flipped the meat over and we're going to actually repeat the same process of seasoning the meat on this side. Now don't worry guys, that's why I actually kind of freehand the seasoning. What's going to happen is that seasoning on the other side is actually going to become part of the broth that's going to be in the bottom to infuse and trap that flavor inside of the meat, since it's going to be a baked dish. And we're going to use some of my favorite, some chicken broth. All right, now we're going to get ready to use our Thousand Island salad dressing by Wishbone. I absolutely love Wishbone, but you always got to shake this up. Now if you don't shake it up, some of the oil will separate, so you got to make sure you shake it up really well. I'm going to drizzle it on top only because I do have a paintbrush that I'm actually going to use to fully coat this chicken. Oh my gosh, guys. It looks amazing. Look at that. So you want to make sure it's evenly coated. That's the whole point of using this paintbrush. And once the wings are cooked, it's going to be so delicious. I just can't wait. You got to try this. All right. So since our oven has been preheating at 375, we're going to set our timer to cook these for 45 minutes. Ooh, I just had to take a sneak peek, guys. It's almost done. Oh my God, and it smells immaculate. Oh my God, just hold on for the finished product. I promise you, it's gonna be worth it. Oh my goodness. Oh, time to plate. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and welcome to the Nash House. Don't forget to turn on that bell icon for more delicious recipes.